for this perfect curved text effect. First, open Canva. Here, type your text. Now, in fonts, choose Anton. Adjust its size and letter spacing. Go to Downloads and save as PNG. Then upload this on the next page. Here, remove its background. Here, let's change the background color so that our text is clearly visible. Go to Apps and search for Pinch Filter. Click on Center Bulge and adjust its other settings to get the desired result. Now go to Elements and search for Crystal Ball. And then in Position tab, bring it below the text and adjust its size. Like this, we can create an eye-catching curved text effect using only Canva. Hit like button if this video was helpful.